So how to use the combinations? The combinations which you will be using, you need to understand certain part before that. After that, you will use combinations and you will be able to make your own combinations also. Okay. But before we proceed, guys, please make it a point that you take notes. Why you have to take notes, even though this course is available for you to go and refer? There is a reason. When you write down your notes, it will be available to you at the nick of a time when you want to refer it. At no point you will be having that energy to go back to your account, opening this up, looking at it, right? I'm assuming that you are a very busy person and that's why you have taken this course so that you can fit in this gut healing techniques in your day-to-day life. So start writing. And by the end of this, you will understand why it is so important, why it is so helpful also. Got it? How to use the combinations. Before that, we will learn a lot of things.